History is written by the victors. But what happens to the stories of the defeated? The millions who suffered, who were erased, and then forgotten, not by accident, but by design. These are not conspiracy theories. They are documented, verified, buried. This is the history they never taught you. Ethnic cleansing. Tehran conference. Behind closed doors, borders are redrawn, and with them, millions of lives. A decision is made to remove Germans from Eastern Europe, not migration, forced displacement. As the Red Army advances, hundreds of thousands flee into freezing winters, war zones and chaos. By 1945, 100,000 refugees every week cross into a shattered Germany. Many never make it. They die from hunger, from cold, from being forgotten. Silenced violence. In Czechoslovakia, Germans are erased from public life. Not allowed, even on sidewalks. Deportations begin. Violent. Immediate. Massacres follow. Brno. Postoloprty. Countless others, thousands killed across Poland, over 8 million expelled. Those who remain are placed into camps. Starvation, disease, abuse. At Zgoda camp alone, thousands die in just months. By the early 1950s, 12 million displaced, hundreds of thousands dead, some say millions. And yet, almost no one is taught this. Because history isn't just erased with silence, sometimes it's rewritten. USS Liberty. June 8, 1967. The USS Liberty drifts in international waters, clearly marked, American flag visible. Then, without warning, it is attacked. Jets, torpedoes, gunfire, 2 hours of destruction, 34 dead, 172 wounded. Official story? A mistake, but survivors never believed it. Doubts. The ship was identifiable, the flag visible, radio signals jammed, rescue aircraft recalled, life rafts destroyed. Later, recordings emerge. Pilots confirm they knew it was American. And still, the attack continued. No full investigation, no accountability, only silence, red Holocaust. The Bolsheviks take power, religion becomes the enemy, churches destroyed, clergy executed, faith criminalized, thousands killed in the early years alone, then tens of thousands more. During purges, owning a Bible could mean decades in a labor camp. Across decades, millions die. Yet this story rarely stands beside others. In history book, Nanjing, 6 weeks of horror, over 200,000 civilians killed, 80,000 women assaulted, mass executions, public killings, competitions of death, and afterward, minimized. Reduced to an instant pattern, different countries, different times, same pattern, violence, denial, silence, across centuries, the powerful commit atrocities. Then they write the history. Massacres become incidents. Genocides become conflicts. And the victims are forgotten. Not because the evidence is missing, but because it is ignored. So the question isn't, did these things happen? The question is, why were you never taught them? Because history is not just what we remember, it's also what we are made to forget.